that when yours is? Yeah, August 4th. Oh, good. And when is Abby's?
July 25th.
July 25th.
And my mom is lucky because she told me July 4th, so she gets to see
That's right.
Cool, huh?
Well, it is so nice to meet you
Very
all.
nice to meet you as well. You guys have a great evening.
Here's our neighbor, our new neighbor next door. I'm gonna. This is Kai.
And
Look,
Bryn.
show him your trick, Bryn. We'll do the trick on the video. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Look at that.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now, how many teeth have you lost?
8
Oh my-
teeth. Oh my gosh.
8
Yeah.
all at
He always
once.
said, Dad, can you cut the corn off the cob for me?
Yeah.
8. All of them.
Wow.
Wow, that's a lot to lose at one time.
Let's see a smile. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too. Have a good
We'll
night.
see you
Hey, if you
later.
need anything, just give me a call. We got everything here, so if you need anything.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Okay, bye-bye.
Gene, come here. Look at this. Gene.
I tried to get them, but I couldn't tell if I was getting them or not with my little camera.
I got him.
We've never had those. There's the hummers here. Oh, it was a busy.
We got the yellowbirds today. A flock has shown up.
We've never had these. They love our new
Premium
fancy sunflower
premium
food.
sunflower seed. I bought it by mistake. But maybe that's what we need to get. Premium sunflower seed.
Wow. That's what's been making all of it.
We got back from golf today and we could hear, you know, like just hundreds of birds chirping. We're like, what the heck's going on? We come out here and they're in the trees now. If I could go up and look in the trees, every branch has got birds in it, waiting their turn. They're just coming in one after another. It's amazing. Look at that. See, so that's the males and the females coming in. They just come in one after another. They're like waiting in line. So anyway, we played golf today at Kaler Glen. It was a nice day, a little cool, but we didn't have any rain. We hear from the neighbors that it rained here at the cabin for about a half an hour. So we were glad that we didn't have to deal with that. Well, there's a redbird. How'd he get in this mix? How'd that redbird get in here? They're just, these birds are like everywhere. And we filled the hummingbird feeder, and while I've been filming that, I could hear hummingbirds go by our head. There's none there right now, but they know it's there. All right, we just got back from golf. Now we're gonna barbecue some brats. Haven't done that for a while. Gene's gonna boil them first, and then we're gonna barbecue them. Wow. Busy night here at the cabin. This is Memorial Day weekend, May 30th, 2010.